we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another video. In today's video, I've got one of my favourite arm combos of all time. So yeah, here's what it looks like from my perspective. Bang. A couple things before we get into this video. Obviously, this video is sponsored by yoyo UK, so you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. I'm going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial, so yeah, let's get straight into this tutorial. Sorry I haven't made one in a while. So to start off with, you're going to roll into just your basic trapeze like so, and get into the arm mount where the string goes over your arm like that. From there you can roll off, right, and then like curl in your index finger, I find works the best, and then take this string down to the front and engage it onto the yo-yo like so. You want to like create the tension, so you want to like pull this string up like with your index finger. So from here you're going to roll this yo-yo over your arm like so, and then you're going to want to pop the yo off the front and then roll the yo over your arm again, this time landing on that front string. From here you're going to hop the yo into this bottom string, and whilst you hop it in, you're also going to want to curl it round your arm like so. This element can be extremely difficult, so just like take it very slowly at first. Like I'd recommend going like boom, right? But from there you can whip the slack off and then land onto that string again. And then you should be in a mount that looks like this. From here you can just drop your index finger off and put it in the back. Roll onto the string and then pop up into this. That should dismount you from the front. Then you can roll onto this front string. And then you can bring this slack over and do the brother mount, like slack thing, making sure to only intercept that front string, and then you can drop the slack off the front, do a little scoop, and you should be in a green triangle, and that is the whole trick. So yeah, I'll go over it one more time for you. Trapeze, arm, roll in, roll round, front, through, and then just bounce, douche, and then bind. And yeah, that is the whole trick. So if you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. I do have a vlog channel now, Kieran Can't, so go and subscribe to that. I'll leave it linked. Anyway, yeah, peace.
I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome a new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm staring out into a whole new space where I know I should